Hey, this will be a video chart on BBDA. You see this line here because I did this one last week, I believe, and wow, congratulations. What a great example. If I was writing a textbook, I would grab this one and put it right in there. What a great example of a breakout, consolidation, and then followed by another breakout. So like I said, you could put this one right into a textbook. It'd make the perfect example. I can't remember exactly what day I did it on, but I think it was one of these ones. And I talked about as you know, this level right here needing to hold being the 0006, and you can see here it got tested 3 times in a row and then started to build a higher base up here at 0007, and then today just absolutely exploded. So again, congratulations. And finally, on the example front, during the pullback and consolidation, you can see how that volume dropped off, and then on the explosion day, volume just went bonkers. So, like I said, just a perfect demonstration of what you'd want to see happen. So, anyways, let's get into the chart now. Where do things stand? Well, we have some new levels of support as this day really crushed through a bunch of resistance levels. And the reason we have to do it, or I have the chart scrunched up like this, is for a good reason, because in order to find where these future levels of resistance levels are, we got to go back quite a bit of ways into history. So, a good cause for having to scrunch up the chart. So the first level that really sticks out in terms of a resistance that was broken and is now a support is right here at the 001 level. So besides being a psychological resistance like it usually is, it's definitely a level of resistance, or was a level of resistance from the charting perspective. You can see here knocked down the price, there knocked down the price, there knocked down the price, and then here knocked down the price. So 001 is the newest level of support, and the one that ideally you'd like to see hold, kind of like the new 0006. Whereas the price could have dropped below there as long as it held the 50-day, but by holding the 0006, it really made the chart look that much better. So the same holds for the 001, kind of like the new 0006. And I should note, if you just go back to the archive of videos, you can go and see the video that I did on this one last week, and that way you can kind of have an idea of the 0006 and that level of importance. The next level of support that was established comes from this previous high here, that which is at 0014. Again, if you look back through the history of the chart, you'll see that previous high here, and then it knocked down the price on this other big day. But now that the price is closed above it, this is a new level of support, and this is more of an ideal level, meaning ideally you'd like to see it hold, but if it doesn't, the 001 is really the level that you want to see hold strong. In terms of resistance levels, we have this level right here, which is actually right where the price bumped its head on today. And again, just the power of charts. It's pretty amazing how this can work. But just so you know, I'm not pulling this area out of thin air. If you look here, you can see multiple times the price came up here and got rejected by the 0018. So that is the current level of resistance. I'm not going to go any further than that, just because we'll take this chart one day at a time. If the price gets some closes above 0018, then I'll come back and identify where the next levels of resistance are. But this is where the chart currently stands. Again, congratulations to the people that accumulated on this pullback. I wish I could say I was one of them, but I was not. But regardless, just a great looking chart here and move. So we'll have to see what the rest of this week brings. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. Go there and sign up for the free newsletter. You'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, chart ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, as we've been making some good money together. Also, I'd encourage you to leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart, and let me know if you play this pullback here or not. Again, this was BBDA. Thanks for listening.